Dyson DC01 standard that I refurbished for Dean is done. It is the dictionary definition of an unfaded Dyson DC01 vacuum cleaner. It really, really is. But it can look as lovely as it wants. Does it work any better than it did when we first unboxed it? Well, let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I'll turn the lights on and then you will see this in more of its glory. It is so good. There is no damage anywhere. In fact, the most worn part is the stickers on the bin, which is a bit of a shame, but you know, these are getting of the age now where that is a problem, but everything else that was a problem now isn't. In fact, the only repair it needed was to the mains cable. You had the donut, which is back on it. I have refitted the donut at the request of the owner. This still did that. It still broke the cable. Don't need that anymore. No, we don't. So we have, it is basically brand new. There is no dirt in the bin, so I can confidently take this out and show you in there. Look, there is not a speck of dirt anywhere. It's all rather lovely. In fact, while we're here, look, we'd best fit the filters that Dean sent down, hadn't we? Actually do finish the job, so to speak. So under here, and as you can see, that was black. The whole thing was black, but it's come out quite well now. So there's that filter in there. Under here we'll take the pristine filter cage and put the other filter in there. Original 3M Filtrete technology, cut ever so slightly too big. I'm not sure if this is a genuine Dyson filter. It doesn't really matter though. There we go. Underneath there's not a lot to report really. It's just very, very clean, very, very tidy, and works very, very well really. There's not, this is quite a boring vacuum cleaner to show you because it just looks like a, if it wasn't for those stickers, it could have very easily come out of a box. Here is the plug. Before we get too far, lovely original plug. It's such a shame they stopped doing these. There we go, look. Dyson designed and made, fitted, moulded plug on some cable that has some writing that I have no idea what it means. So, anyway. Does it work? I'll say it works. These things get such a bad reputation because when they're new, they work, they do work really, really well. It's like every Dyson, it just never really stays there and it just goes downhill. So by the time, this is 20 years old, it needs a rebuild, and it's had one, and now so much dirt from these test carpets. For a bit of, just for a clue as to when I'm filming this, I made these today. So they are, you'd have seen the before video, well, the making of video. These have not seen dirt, apart from the sawdust. So that's very impressive from the Dyson. The reason I'm just moving it all out of the way now is because, well, the rug needs a hoover, a vacuum. They're going to come out to my house. And obviously this rug is good for showing grooming because it takes a little bit, you know, it has to be an alright cleaner to groom me up in the first place. And does it? Oh yes! Oh yes! Obviously, it's not that I'm half. Now that is impressive. Oh, now I've got to clean this again. I've got to get the bench vac out and vacuum it off. But yeah, that is really, really good. I've got a few DC01s and I am thinking of selling them, but I'm going to have to keep one around just because they do work so well. They were really, really brilliant. When they work like this, if this was in daily use, give it 6 months, it would be broken again. But it's never going to be. It's going to, now I filmed this, it's going to be boxed up and sent back to its owner. Sent back to Dean, who hopefully love it, cherish it, try and stop it from fading, and have himself a Beko 1987. Okay, I've seen its pages here, but it's belching out sawdust. Never mind. You're of the age now, but it doesn't really matter, does it? Because as much as old as you are, you still look lovely. I don't know why I'm leaving it up. It stands up fine. So yeah, there we go. The DC01 from hell is now the DC01 fit for a collection. And it's now fit for me to end this video and say goodbye. So, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.